This is the right time that your company needs more hardworking employees just like you. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Counter Podcast. You're listening to Cons and Show, episode number 224. And in this episode, we'll discuss about how to handle recession. And this is the part 2 of this episode of this particular topic. Why is it part 2? I have recorded another video that was released yesterday, that was posted yesterday. So listen to that particular podcast. I highly recommend you guys to do that if you haven't watched that. And in this we'll discuss about the job. Recession makes many people jobless. And how do you face that? How do you avoid that? Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Counter Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. So when this video is released, I assume that you have a job or you don't have a job, but this video applies for both of you. So this recession, it is making many people unemployed, and probably if not today, after 2 months or after 3 months, there will be lots of unemployment that is being created because the exams are going on, and exams will be going on. There will be fresh graduates who will have no job. All that happens, right? So how do you handle this situation? If you have a job, I have one suggestion for you. This is the right time to not waste any single time in your job and start working more and more. No, show your worth to your manager. Show your worth that you are 100% worth in your entire office or in your entire company. Say that you are more worth than firing. That is how things happen. And you might get somewhere around 50% of salary in this recession, or salary might be reduced to you. But to be true, if the salary is reduced, that means you are in a verge of being fired. Your company is in the verge of being shut down. So my suggestion is work even more harder, work 50% extra, work overtime. This is the right time that your company needs more hardworking employees just like you. Trust me, this is the truth. Even the managers that you have, those people aren't getting enough salary just because people aren't working enough. They aren't making enough production in this recession. So that is the reason. So first thing, prove yourself to your company. And the second thing, start a side hustle. This is the right time to start working on your passion. This is the right time to start doing that, because that will bring the money that you have lost in your company. Trust me, that will bring your money, if not today, probably after 6 months, probably after 8 months, that will bring some more money that you always wanted, or it will bring a money that will double your income. So this is how things are. And start your side hustle that you always wanted, the passion that you always wanted. And the next last tip that I wanted to suggest in your job is try learning new skills. Try learning that new skills that you always wanted to learn, and make that happen. It could be photography, it could be video editing skill, it could be new software skills, it could be new coding skills, or something like that. Something like new sales skills or anything. This is the right time to do it. Start doing it, because this is the right time that you fill your bags, if you fill your CV with more and more skills. And there are companies who are hiring people, but they need very highly skilled workers just like you. So this is the right time to do that, so that you won't be fired from your job. I think that is it from this video. I'll give a shout out to everyone who just comment on my picture, videos, episode, podcast, and if you could hit that right button, that would mean a world to me. And if you could hit that notification button, every day, daily motivation dose will be delivered just to you before you wake up. That's my assurance. And meet you guys at my next podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Sanjay here, signing off from Contour Podcast. Bye bye.